So to automate, in order to automate the role management, there are two main components. There's the IAM system that allows what we call the provisioning of access rights. So given the definition of the role, you say Julia has this role, then automatically he will receive all the access rights in the role. So that's the automated provision. Okay. And the second component is role mining. And role mining is the component by which you define and you update the content of the role. So what is the content of the role? And we do that by actually analyzing what are the existing access of each user. So we take all the user population, we do a statistical approach, and using specific algorithms such as clustering algorithms, we're able to say, okay, we see that the population of all the accountants in the organization, they have consistent access, and they all have access to the accounting system. They all have access to the billing system. So the definition of the accountant business role is something like this is the list of access rights.
Yeah, okay. So you analyze that, and then that's how you create the groups.
Exactly.
And then you fit everybody into that group, or try to fit everybody into
exactly. And so once we've come up with this definition that we submit to the business people, because the business people eventually are deciding if this is the right definition for the role or not. Once the definition has been approved, you can actually confront the definition of the role with the actual access of all the users and see what is different and manage those differences. Sometimes people have received more access than they actually deserve or need, and so you can somehow correct this. And for sure, every time now you have a new accountant in the organization, you know exactly what they should receive, and it can be fully automated. So in the long run, the user access are converging with the role definition.
Thank you for listening to the video. I really appreciate that you went all the way to the end. I would appreciate also if you click the subscribe button, hit the bell, because every week we will be publishing some interesting topics on cybersecurity, CASM, IAM, IGA, and enterprise topics.